How the bell with a slash mean on iPhone messages. Here's what it means and how to fix it. That crossed out bell means hide alerts is turned on for that conversation. You'll still receive messages, but your iPhone won't show notifications or play an alert sound for new messages from that chat. To turn notifications back on, open the Messages app on your iPhone and find the conversation with the crossed out bell. Swipe left on the conversation, then tap the bell icon to unmute it. The slash should disappear, and you'll start receiving notifications again. You can also open the conversation, tap the contact or group name at the top, and turn off hide alerts. And that's it. The crossed out bell doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your iPhone. It simply means notifications for that conversation have been muted. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.